Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana has achieved a significant milestone by crossing 1 crore beneficiaries. Also, the total amount of disbursed to the beneficiaries under the scheme has crossed 4,000 crores. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana (PMMVY) is a maternity benefit program being implemented in all the districts of the country with effect from the 1st January 2019. It is centrally sponsored scheme being executed by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Direct benefit transfer scheme. Cash benefits are provided to the pregnant women in their bank accounts directly to meet the enhanced nutritional needs and partially compensate for wage loss. Target beneficiaries. All the pregnant women and lactating mothers PW and LM, excluding those who are in regular employment in the government and central government or state governments or PSUs, or those who are in receipt of similar benefits under the law for the time being in force. All the eligible pregnant women and lactating mothers who have their pregnancy on or 1st January 2017 for the first child in the family. Benefits under the scheme. Beneficiaries receive a cash of 5,000 in the 3 installments on fulfilling the following conditions: early registration of pregnancy, antenatal checkup, registration of the birth of the child, and completion of the first cycle of vaccination for the first living child of the family. The eligible beneficiaries also receive cash incentives under Janani Suraksha Yojana. Thus, on an average, a woman gets rupees 6,000. Distinctive feature. The implementation of the scheme is closely monitored by the central and the state governments through the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Common Application Software. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana Common Application Software (PMMVY CAS) is a web-based software application that enables tracking the status of each beneficiary under the scheme, resulting in expedited, accountable, and better grievance redressal. Present status: Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Rajasthan are the top 5 states in the country in implementation of PMMVY. Odisha and Telangana are yet to start the implementation of the scheme. See, it's a matter of health. Undernutrition continues to adversely affect the women in India. Every third woman is undernourished, while every second woman is anemic. Undernourished women often give birth to babies with a low birth weight. When poor nutrition starts in utero, it extends throughout the life cycle. Owing to economic and social distress, many women continue to work to earn a living for their family up to the last days of their pregnancy. They resume work soon after the childbirth, which prevents their bodies from fully recovering. It also impedes their ability to exclusively breastfeed during the first 6 months. The initiative of the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana provides maternity benefits of up to rupees 5,000 for the pregnant women and lactating mothers after their first delivery. The benefit is provided in the 3 installments. It is a conditional cash transfer scheme and provides a partial wage compensation to women for wage loss during the childbirth and childcare. The scheme ensures a safe delivery and good nutrition for women. The benefits are not available for employees of central and state governments and any public sector undertaking. Janani Suraksha Yojana. Janani Suraksha Yojana is a 100% centrally sponsored scheme which is being implemented with the objective of reducing maternal and infant mortality by promoting institutional delivery among the pregnant women. Basically, it is a safe motherhood intervention under the National Health Mission (NHM). Benefit. Under the Janani Suraksha Yojana, eligible pregnant women are entitled for cash assistance irrespective of age of mother and number of children for giving birth in a government or accredited private health facility. The scheme also provides performance-based incentives to the women health volunteers, also known as accredited social health activist (ASHA), for promoting the institutional delivery among the pregnant women. The scheme focuses on the poor pregnant women with a special dispensation for the states that have low institutional delivery rates, namely the states of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Rajasthan, Odisha, and Jammu and Kashmir. The above states have been named the low performing states under the scheme, and remaining states have been named the high performing states.